In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Gemini AI to Base44, step-by-step tutorial. First, we'll grab a Google Gemini API key. Head to Google AI Studio in your browser and open the API Keys section. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your Google account so you can access the developer tools. On the API Keys page, choose the option to create a new key. Give it a clear name so you'll remember what it's for, then generate it. As soon as the key appears, copy it carefully. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't paste it into screenshots, and consider storing it in a secure password manager. If it's ever exposed, you can always come back here and regenerate a new one. With your key copied, switch over to your Base44 workspace. From the main navigation, click on Integrations. This is where Base44 lists all available apps and services you can connect to your account. Once the catalog opens, use the search bar to type Gemini. You should see the Google Gemini AI integration appear in the results. Open the Gemini integration. Inside, you'll find a field asking for your Google API key. Paste the key you copied from Google AI Studio into that field. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the key. Those can cause connection errors. If the interface shows any confirmation or connect button, proceed to confirm the setup so Base44 can securely use that key to talk to Google's Gemini models on your behalf. A quick note about access. Some integrations in Base44, including Gemini, may only be available on certain paid plans. If you don't see the Gemini integration in your catalog, or if the Connect option is hidden, it likely means your current plan doesn't include it. In that case, check your plan details inside Base44 and consider upgrading if you need this feature for your workflows. If you run into issues connecting, the two most common fixes are to recopy the full API key from Google AI Studio and to refresh your Base44 page before pasting it again. Also, verify you're logged into the correct Base44 workspace where you intend to use Gemini. Remember, your API key can be revoked or rotated anytime from Google AI Studio, and you can update or remove the key from the Base44 integrations page if your security policies change. And that's it. You've created a Google Gemini API key, opened Base44's integrations catalog, selected the Gemini integration, and pasted your key to connect the two.